So I'm Nick Driftwood, UK filmmaker and Panasonic Ambassador.
Hi, I'm John McGregor. I am a product trainer with Sennheiser.
So I've got an argument, John. Is the image more important than audio in your videos? Because I believe that images positively impact presence, and it is said that we perceive up to 80% of all impressions by means of our sight. So I'm guessing pictures matter, John.
Well, of course they do. However, audio is equally important. Audio is 50% of the movie-going experience. Audiences are moved and excited by what they hear. And this is something we've heard from George Lucas and many other directors.
But Ridley Scott, Alien, in space, no one can hear you scream.
Fair enough.
Okay, John, so let's put this to the test then, yeah?
Yep.
If I ask you a series of questions, let's look at what audio does with video when we look at two sides of the argument. So, tell us a little bit about Sennheiser, a little bit about the background, and a little bit of history, if you may.
Absolutely. Well, we will be 75 years old next year. We've been making microphones and headphones since 1945. Realistically, especially for the film world, we are the guys that helped develop the audio side of the industry for audio for video. We developed the wireless microphone, we developed the shotgun microphone, and we are synonymous with good audio.
Good audio. Well, hopefully we've got some good video being recorded right now, and I'll ask the same question again, and let's saw something similar, and we'll just see what it sounds like on the other side of the coin. So, John, Sennheiser's been going, 70 years, you said?
75 next year.
What is your biggest selling or the most popular microphone that Sennheiser have ever done?
Ever done? I wouldn't exactly know. But right now, probably our most popular microphone series is the Evolution and Evolution wireless microphones.
And what makes them so popular?
It's obviously the price point is always a good thing, but it's the tonal quality, it's the sound that they give. They are renowned for giving really, really good, clean sound. And also from the wireless microphone point of view, they're really, really simple to operate and work with.
I think you can see, and hear, of course, that audio is 50% of good video production. So make sure you get your audio right. Thankfully, we're able to make great video and sound recordings with the Panasonic range of cameras such as the S1H and accessories such as Panasonic's XLR1, or by using external recorders such as the Tascam device which we'll be featuring later. We compare these with a set of decent microphones such as those from Sennheiser and utilise the different microphones for different tasks. And when it comes together, it looks and sounds great, just like this video, John, that we've done now. So thank you very much for watching our argument. Is audio equally as important as video?
Panasonic.